welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video I have a great recipe for you. Let's make a dried anchovies thokku. It's a great recipe and a great combination with white rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get started and see how to make this delicious recipe. Today I've taken about 2 large onions which is finely chopped, 3 tomatoes which are finely chopped, a few curry leaves, 2 green chillies which is slit, 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. I've taken about half a kg of brinjal and cut it into thin strips. Now let's marinate the brinjal with about half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. Now let's take the anchovies which is washed well in hot water. Let's add about half a teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's mix it together and keep it aside. Okay friends, the ingredients for our recipe is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe. Now let's heat oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start frying the brinjal. Little by little in batches till it turn into a nice golden brown color. When the brinjals turn into a nice golden brown color, we can strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. So similarly, repeat the same process and fry the brinjal little by little in batches and keep them aside. Now once all the brinjal is done, let's fry the anchovies in the same hot oil. It need not be too crispy. Just fry them for about 5 minutes and you can strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. So you can see that the anchovies are ready and the fried brinjal is also ready. So now let's start preparing the thokku. Now let's take another pan. Into the pan, let's add some oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. When the urad dal turns into a nice golden brown color, let's add the chopped onions. Let's saute it. Now let's add the curry leaves and also the crushed garlic. Today I've taken about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. Now stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Now let's also add the green chillies which is slit. Now let's saute it for about 2 minutes till the onions becomes nice and translucent. Now you can see that the onions are nice and translucent. At this stage, let's add chopped tomatoes. And stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Now let's start adding the spice powders. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now mix everything thoroughly and let the spice powders cook well in the tomato. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's add about half a cup of water so that the tomato, onions and other ingredients can cook well in the water. Cook them till the tomatoes becomes nice and mushy and soft. Now let's close the pan with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now you can see that the tomatoes are nice and soft and mushy. At this stage, let's add about half a cup of tamarind water. Mix everything thoroughly. Now let's add the fried anchovies into this mixture. And mix everything thoroughly. Now let's add the fried brinjal. And mix everything thoroughly. Now let's close the pan with the lid so that all the masala can get into the anchovies and the brinjal. You can see that the brinjal, anchovies and the masala is all well cooked. At this stage, let's add another half a cup of tamarind water. We need about 1 lime size of tamarind and extract a thick pulp and add it into the anchovies. Now finally, add about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder. This gives a nice fragrance to the recipe. And finally, let's add a few curry leaves into the anchovies mixture. For garnish, mix it well And that's it, friends. Our super delicious and tasty anchovies thokku is absolutely ready. Now let's start plating it with some hot rice and hot and spicy dried anchovies thokku. That's it, friends. Our delicious dried anchovies thokku is ready. This is a great combination with white rice. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.